Bakery secret, I doubt you can resist this bread stuffed with cheese with this soft and fluffy dough. It melts in your mouth, it's quick and easy, there's no way to resist it. Let's start our recipe by adding 2 eggs to the container. Then add 6 tablespoons of sugar. Also add a teaspoon of salt and 2 packets of dry yeast. Once this is done, you will mix very well to hydrate the yeast. Now we will add 500 ml of warm milk, 100 ml of oil, and mix. Then you will separate a kilo of wheat flour, add it, and mix little by little. Now knead the dough for 10 minutes until it becomes smooth and soft. That's the point of our dough. Add the dough, cover with a kitchen towel, and let it rest for 30 minutes. And let's roll out this dough to the thickness of a finger. Then you will divide the dough in half, then you will cut it into strips 2 fingers wide, like this. Next, we will need 500 grams of cheese cut into sticks. Now just roll the cheese like this into the dough, as you see in the video. Once done, add it to a pan greased with a little oil. Now cover with a kitchen towel and let it rest for 30 minutes. Next, we will brush on the egg yolk, then put it in the preheated oven at 180 degrees for approximately 40 minutes. Then, in another container, we will add a box of cream and 200 grams of condensed milk. Mix very well. Just add all this mixture on top of our breads that are already baked. Add grated coconut on top. And our cheese-stuffed breads are ready. They are perfect. Look how soft and fluffy it turned out. The dough is melting in your mouth,